What's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a small home bakery business inventory haul. So I'm going to show you everything that I have purchased right here in all of these boxes from Amazon. So if this is something that you are interested in, then keep watching.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
So I'm super excited to be doing this. This is my first time doing it, so I hope that it goes well. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to let me know in the comments below so I can do more like it. All right, so I'm just gonna jump right into these boxes and see what I purchased. I'm going to start with this one right here because we did already open it. So as you can see, it's kind of stained. It has like these markings on it, and so my husband and I were looking at it and like, wait a second, like what's in this box? Why is it wet like this? We did buy some laundry detergent, so we were like, oh, maybe some laundry detergent and it spilled out, but it wasn't. So I'm just gonna open this box that we already opened and just show you what's inside. Oh, by the way, I do have my niece here. She's doing virtual learning with us for these next few weeks. So if you hear a little extra noise in the background, it's probably her. So no worries there. But anyways, here we go. Oh yeah. So in this box, oh, looks kind of yellowish, but these are I need to make sure I'm talking so y'all can hear me and not playing with the bubble wrap. But anyways, these are some packages. If you've seen some of my other videos, then you know exactly what these are and what they're for. But let me open it anyways. Okay. Oh, okay. That's why it looked yellow. It's like, hold on now. That looks kind of yellow. But it's just another paper. Okay. So these are lids. Lids for my packaging. Voila. Okay. Okay, so these are a little bit different than I expected with how they came inside of this bag. I'm used to it being within like a regular plastic bag, I guess you would say. But yeah, so I'll need to find a box to put these in. But let me open it and let me show you what they look like. All right, so here I have these black meal prep containers. Okay, and this is what I put my stuffed waffle cones in. So this is the lid that goes on top. It goes like this. And I'll be putting my stuffed waffle cones inside of these. But I will also be using these for cookie kits. By the way, check that video out here to see how I do it, as well as hot chocolate bombs. Once I get those out and going, I'll be using these containers. All right, so that's what's in that box. Let's set that to the side and move on to the next one. Let's see. We'll do this one right here because, you know, it's right here. So, all right. Now, let's use my knife. I want you guys to be able to see. All right, let's see. Don't need that. My niece wants it, so I let her play with it. Okay, here we go. So these are some more boxes. More boxes for packaging. All right, so here I have some white boxes for my cakes. These are 10. Are these the 10? Or are these the 12? Okay, yes. These are my 10 by 10 by 5-inch boxes. And here's an example, one that's already open. The ones that I just purchased are a little bit different from these because these are no longer being sold. But the design and everything is the same. I just think the assembly of it is a little bit different. But I'll put a picture, I'll put a picture here for you all to see how I do my boxes and what this will look like. But yes, these are my 10 by 10 by 5 cake boxes. So for this inventory haul, I, just wanted to double down on my packaging for the upcoming season. And so I just went ahead and bought everything that I knew that I was going to be needing for this upcoming season. I don't purchase really in like bulk with like, big packages and stuff because I really never know what I'm going to be selling and doing for each season. I just choose as I go along. But there are some staples, for this upcoming season. I know exactly what I'm going to be selling. So I went ahead and got that packaging, and I'm not straying away from my menu, okay? Because we got to get this stuff sold. We have to get it sold, okay? So next, we have this really big box. Make sure y'all can't see my address. No stalkers, okay? But yes, here we go. Another big box from Amazon. I think. Let's see. I'm going to stack these so you can see. And this one's really heavy. Really heavy. All right. I think that looks good. Because y'all need to see me too, right? Okay. Here we go. I wonder what's in here. Who knows? Amazon, they like to package. When you order multiple things, they'll package it all in one box. So who knows what all is in here? Who knows? Except for the people from Amazon. They know. They know what's in here. More bubble wrap for my niece. Get it and have a ball. Okay. Nice. So I decided that for this upcoming season, that I was going to offer larger cakes. Normally, the largest size that I offer are 8-inch cakes, but I decided to go up. So now the largest that I'm going to be offering are 10-inch cakes. So I had to get boxes to fit those cakes, and that's what these are. Okay, so Surf City Supplies. They have this window here so you'll be able to see, although I'm pretty sure that I'll be having this propped up and open because my cakes usually are too tall for these boxes, so I have to do a little rigging. It's already opened, but I'm sure it's okay. I'm sure that's fine. But yes, these are 12 by 12 by 5 boxes. And they're very heavy. Okay, what else? Okay, cool. So I probably didn't fully, if I can get into a good position. Okay. Okay, so I have these cellophane bags. I didn't fully think this all the way through, but I think it's still gonna work. So I will, when I do, yeah, so I bought these bags for my hot chocolate bombs. This is what I'll put them in, and then I'll put them inside of these black containers. Yeah, just an extra level, extra layer of freshness. So that's what I'm going to be using these for. I'll also use these for smaller cookie kits. I can put them inside. So yeah, cellophane bags. All right. Oh, here it is. The last package, but this isn't for you guys. This is for the house. I'm gonna do this box right here. Make sure you can see me. Okay, so we can do this last big box right here. Thank you, KK. All right, open this up. It's a little bang, but I'm pretty sure I didn't buy anything fragile, so you know, I don't really have anything to worry about. Here we go. Woo! Wow. Whoa. Okay. I was not expecting this at all, and I feel like something is wrong. I feel like something in this box is wrong. But here, let me show you. All right. So this box is just full of cake boards. So I know that I'm going to be needing, I'm gonna have to make another order of these, but because you know the sizes vary, I don't know what sizes people are gonna be wanting during the season. So I just went ahead and got just my basic number, and then when I need to reorder again, I'll do that. But here I just have 8-inch cake boards. These will be for my 6-inch cakes. These are what I expected. These are as expected. These, however, these are not 10. Well, okay. So janky. These are 10-inch boards. They look a little bit larger, but maybe, you know, it's just my eyes. I usually get the wrapped boards, but these are just, you know, the smooth edge. So maybe that's playing a part in why it looks how it looks. But, yeah, simple 10-inch. And I got 2 packs of these. So I have 8-inch and I have 10-inch. Now, this is where it gets interesting, okay? So I've never purchased or used a 12-inch cake board. And that's what I thought I ordered. But this looks pretty big. These look much larger than I would have anticipated for a 12-inch cake board. But let me just check because, you know, I've never used a 12-inch board before, so who knows? And, yep. It says 12-inch round. So, whoa. 12-inch cake board right here. All right, so yes, my average size is 6, 8, and 10-inch cakes. That's what I'll be using with these. This is so cool. This is like really, really cool. Like I'm really enjoying this, and I just love seeing all of my. Okay, so see, just like this is just like a beautiful sight to me. I just love how that looks. I really love how that looks. So, anyways. Moving along, and I hope that this is making sense, and you know I'm doing this in all one shot, so hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it looks great. If not, you won't see it anyway. So all right, so also in here, what is this? Oh, this is acetate. I don't think I'm gonna tell y'all in this video what I'm gonna be doing with this, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. But yes, acetate paper. Piping bags. Oh yes, piping bags. Piping bags are like a necessity to me in my life. So excited about these. Then I also have these. These are going to be for my cookie kits. This is what I'm gonna put the icing in. These are for me to pipe onto my cakes. Piping bags. Oh yeah. I'm actually about to use a lot of these products right now because I have like, how many? I think I have like 6 orders and it's already midday and they're all due tomorrow, but you know, we're gonna push them out. I wanted to make this video opening all of this packaging, so I didn't want to start before then. So yeah, by the way, follow me on Instagram at The Station Bakery so you're able to see, you know, what I'm going to be creating with all of these. If you are interested to know what kind of items do I make, what kind of cakes, you know, like I really love cakes. Although on my YouTube channel, you'll see me doing a lot of like treats and different kinds of recipes. My heart is really for cakes. That's what I love to do. So if you're interested in seeing that, go ahead, follow me on Instagram at The Station Bakery to see my 6 orders that I have to do like now. Okay, so this box is empty. All right, here we go. My last box. Is my last box. It's a big one. It's a big one. It didn't really need to be this big though, but you know. All right, let's turn this here and let's pop it open. Wait, before I open this, I want you all to comment below and let me know what you think is inside of this box, okay? I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. 3 seconds. If you need more, pause it, but I'm gonna wait for you to comment below to tell me what do you think is inside of this huge, I probably shouldn't stab it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop stabbing that. But comment below and let me know what you think is in this box, okay? Okay, let's see if you're right. I know what's in here. I know exactly what this is because this is how they always package it. So I know what's in here. No shock to me. All right, are you ready? Are you guys ready to see? Yeah? My niece is shaking her head saying, yes, she wants to know. She doesn't know what's in here either. But yes, okay. Let me fix my necklace first. Okay. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, did you guess? Did you guys guess another box? Inside of this big box is another box. 10 points for you if you got that right. Did you get it right? No? She said no. She didn't guess that there was another box. But no, let me quit playing and let me open up this other box so you can really see what's really inside of here. Okay? Oh, here's an idea. If you would be interested to see how I organize all of my items in my home, I don't have a cake studio or anything. You know, let me bring you back up here so I can talk to you normally. I don't have a cake studio or anything. You know, I just have sections in my home that I have dedicated specifically to my cake items. So if you would like to see that video on how I organize all of this inside of my home, then leave me a comment letting me know below. All right, finally, let me open up this box for y'all. Y'all tell me get on with it. Say get on with it, girl. All right. Here. Nope, still can't see. Okay. In this box was another box with more boxes. All right, so here are my tall cake boxes that I use for tiered cakes. So follow me on Instagram and I'll let you know if these are cool or not, but I'm sure that they'll be fine. So yeah, just my tall boxes. My niece is looking at me like I'm crazy. I know, but it's all good. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching with me. I will have these things linked in the description below. You can also check out this video here to see how I package other items such as cupcakes and all of that good stuff. As always, remember to give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you know when I post my next video, okay? Like, how else are you gonna know? How else are you gonna know when I post if you don't turn on those notifications? Thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed it and you would like to see more videos like this, please leave me a comment below letting me know, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, peace.
Don't you know that you're beautiful?